Hello. In this video, I will be presenting and teaching you how to install the AppDeck Pro Skin, a skin for games and applications. First, you come here and install it. It's very simple. You need to have installed the rain meter before, of course. Ready? You open the rain meter. Here you activate it with the right button, on load. You can just load it, and it is already enabled. Now let's start installing an application. You click here. You come in banners. You use the banner of an application or game you have. We are going to create a new page, so we are going to put banner 9. Now you go to the Files folder and copy your application's shortcut here. Right-click, go to Properties to see the address. Now you come and open the links, and then copies the application address. Create a new link and paste it. And also increases one page, leaving 3 pages in total. Now you can save and close the application shortcut properties. As you can see, it only has 2 pages. Right-click and go to Reload Skin. The first time it doesn't update, it needs to be done twice to recognize the new page. Here it is. You can now close the links. We now have 1, 2, 3 pages. You can open the app, and it will work normally. It's very simple. You can organize your banners and links easily. You can create more than one and choose which one to use later. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.